Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Sephora haul. I'm also going to be showing you guys a couple things that I got from Ulta as well. So yeah, I haven't done a haul in a very long time and it was just recently my birthday. I turned 24, so I feel like it was necessary to go shopping. So that's exactly what I did. Okay, so you guys know from my previous hauls that I don't have patience. I'm a very impatient person, so when I get something, I have to use it like right then and there. Like I will literally have a full face of makeup on, take that makeup off to redo my makeup with all the new stuff that I just got because I'm that crazy. So I did use everything, but I kept all of the packages to make it seem like I didn't, but I used everything. So I'll give you like a little review of like how everything's working out. So the first thing I have here is the Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder. This is in the shade Bronze 04. I see a lot of girls on YouTube use this bronzer and I just thought it was such a pretty color. So I decided to pick it up. It looks like this. I will do a little swatch. It's just a very natural tone bronzer, and what I like about it is the fact that I can wear it when I'm very fair and when I have a tan. So right now I do have self tanner on, so I can get away with it when I'm fair and when I'm tan. So that is what it looks like right there. I just think it's such a pretty color and I love the formula of it. I feel like it's very easy to blend and it's just really good so far. I got another all-nighter Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray. I love this setting spray, but there's just one thing that I just cannot stand about it, and that is the spray on it, because sometimes I just feel like it's just too intense. I have literally gone through, let me show you. I have them like on my floor because I'm that bitch. I would go through like one of these like a week. Thank God that these setting sprays are very like affordable, but I kind of wanted to go back to the original Urban Decay all-nighter because this one I really do feel like makes my makeup last a lot longer than the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. That one, I love the spray on it, but I just don't feel like it prolongs my makeup as much. So I got another one of these. Then I went and picked up the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer. This is the smoothing one. This is my favorite smoothing primer, I think, out of all the smoothing primers that I've tried. It looks like this. It is very, very, very smoothing. So you only need like a pea-size amount, and I just focused it like in this area just to help smooth out any pores or anything. So I love this primer. I haven't gotten it in a long time, so I wanted to go back to it, and I have re-fallen in love with it again. I picked up another primer. I got the Benefit The Professional Matte Rescue Break-In Pore Emergency Primer. This is the mattifying gel primer. I am so obsessed with this primer, you guys. I would get the little mini one because I didn't want to buy the full one. So I literally have bought like 3 of the little mini size ones, and I was like, okay, you know what? It's time to get the bigger size because apparently you like it, so just get the bigger size. So I picked up this one because this primer makes my makeup last so long. I am very oily, so I want something that's going to keep me matte, but then I go in with like highlighter and stuff to make myself look glowy, but I am really, really oily. So this one I feel makes my makeup last long, and then I'll go in with the smoothing one just like in my center areas to keep me like smooth. But this is such a good primer. I highly recommend it if you are oily. So I wanted to try out the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. This one is for glowing radiance and softening. I got the little mini one that they had up at the register because I wanted to try it out, and I've had this on my face. I've used it a couple times, and every single time it's a sleeping mask, so you want to sleep with it on. So I just apply it after my moisturizer and everything, just like a normal like extra moisturizer. And when I wake up in the morning, my skin is so soft, it's so smooth. It helps like with my discoloration on my cheeks because I do have acne scars and stuff. So I feel like it's really helping like brighten that. So I'm obsessed with that. Then I got a new foundation. I got the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin 24-Hour Foundation. It looks like this. I got the shade Y245. I think I used to use this foundation a long time ago, and I think that they took it away and then they revamped it. So it's in a squeeze tube packaging. It's super, super matte. It's a full coverage foundation, and I feel like this one really helps control my oil so that I don't like get oily throughout the day, but it does cover acne scars and everything that I want covered. So I've been using this for the past couple of days and I really do like it. It says it's a 24-hour wear, and yeah, so far I really like it. It does say it's a matte velvet skin, and it is very matte, and it doesn't look like cakey or like heavy on the skin. So far I like that one. Then I got this at ULTA because we don't have it at Sephora, but this is just the Tarte Shape Tape. I got a backup because I wanted one that was in my tan color, so this is light medium. This is my favorite concealer of all time. I absolutely love this concealer. I don't think there's any other concealer that's better than this concealer, just being honest. It's just really good, so I got that. Okay, so then I got this mini little Kat Von D tattoo liner and setting powder because it was my birthday, so I got my little birthday gift. So I got this because I love the setting powder and I love the eyeliner. I can throw that liner in my purse and just touch up throughout the day. Okay, so this purchase was actually, it was a splurge. I got this in Dillard's. This is the Chanel Soleil Tan Deschanel Bronzer. This is the cream bronzer that everyone has been raving about for the past like 4 years, that everyone's just obsessed with. It is a cream bronzer. It is such a pretty bronzer. When you touch it, it just feels like so creamy and just very easy to blend. And when you start to blend it, it like goes to like a powder kind of finish. I don't know if you can see it right there, but it is literally so beautiful. I've only used it once so far, and so far I really like it. I just have to find like a good brush to use with it because I feel like I want like an angle Kabuki brush to use with it, because like other brushes just don't blend as well, I feel, with that kind of product. But so far it was a splurge, but so far it was worth every penny. And the girl said that this thing lasts for like years, and I believe it because I know like other YouTubers that have had it for so long, so it was worth the money, I think. Okay, so that was all from Sephora. So I also got from Dillard's the Sigma F80 Flat Top Kabuki brush. This is the famous foundation brush that everyone raved about back in like 2013. I never bought it though. Like, I never bought the foundation brush, so I wanted to try it, and it literally is probably the best foundation brush I think I've ever used in my life. It is so dense and it's so flat, and it really packs in my foundation. So I highly recommend this brush. I think it's amazing. Moving on to ULTA. I got the Kylie Lip Kit. This is the matte liquid lipstick and lip liner in the shade Dolce K. I was swatching like a bunch of the ones that were up at the front, and I saw this one and I just thought this was like the prettiest color because it's so similar to Kat Von D's Bow and Arrow liquid lipstick. That is literally my favorite lipstick of all time. So I was like, let's try this one and see how this works, because I've heard such great things about Kylie's cosmetics and I've never tried it because I was just like, whatever. But it's bomb, like freaking bomb. So that is the color right there. It is literally so similar to Bow and Arrow. That is what made me get it, because it was so similar to that color. And I think I might even like it even better because her formula, first of all, they smell like cake or something. I don't know, they smell really freaking good. And when you apply the liner, it's very creamy. It reminds me a lot of the MAC Pro Longwear lip pencils. So it just glides on your lips very smooth. And then I go in with the liquid lipstick, and it literally dries within like 10 seconds. It dries so fast and you don't even feel like you have anything on your lips. Like it's just so like weightless and it doesn't feel like you have anything on your mouth, and they last forever. I wear them to work and I don't even have to touch up for hours. So I really like that liquid lipstick. Then I got the St. Tropez Tan Remover Prep and Maintain. I think this is new from St. Tropez. So basically it removes mistakes, erase, and primes for tan. So I don't know about you guys, but I like to fake tan a lot. So when I fake tan, it is literally a nightmare trying to get that stuff off my skin because my skin just holds on to it for some reason and it just doesn't want to let go. So I will be in the shower for like an hour, like scrubbing my skin, trying to get this tan off so I could put like new tan on. But for some reason, like the tan still is like on my skin and it just won't like go away. So this is something that you apply before, or like you apply it to your body like with old tan still on your body. You leave it on for 5 minutes and then you rinse it off in the shower and it gets rid of all of the excess tan that's still on your body. And it's literally a lifesaver. So I tried this yesterday because I had old tan on and then I just tanned last night. So I put this on, put it all over my body, left it on for 5 minutes, and then I got in the shower and I just scrubbed with one of those like scrubbing mitts, and it literally took every speck of old tan off. Like it was incredible. So I will highly recommend this if you are a self-tanner and you cannot get self-tan off. Try this because it was a lifesaver, and I think it was like $19, which is a steal. I got another one of my Loving Tan 2-Hour Express Deluxe Bronzy Mousse in the shade Dark. This is my favorite fake tan ever. I love this one. I think it has such a beautiful color. I love the 2-Hour Express because you only leave it on for 2 hours. Now sometimes I will put it on and then I'll leave it on overnight, even though it's only a 2-Hour Express. I just want to be like extra dark. I can do that. This one does not leave me streaky and it fades really nice. So this is my favorite fake tan like of all time. So the other thing I got was the Vita Liberata Body Blur. This is the HD Skin Finish in the shade Latte. I got this because of Jaclyn Hill. I saw it in one of her favorite videos and I decided to pick it up because I love anything that's like gonna make me look even more tan because I'm such a ghost. So I will show you how this looks. It literally like blurs your skin. Ooh, okay, that's a lot. Oh shit, that was a lot. But it literally like puts like a blur effect all over your face or your body. And it is so freaking pretty. You could put that on your legs like during the summertime. Like if you want like an extra glow. I put it on my chest so you can see like my chest just looks very nice and glowy. I love it. It's so pretty. Okay guys, so that completes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below, as well as hit the little bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. But other than that, let me know what you guys would like to see in the comments down below, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!